Hello, we are in Nambucca Heads. This is a place on the east coast of Australia, just south of a large town called Coffs Harbour. And we have found the most amazing view. I keep thinking I found the best view ever, and then I find an even better one. But I don't think much will top this particular view. Check this out. That is just spectacular. You can see where the water comes into this huge estuary there. And back over there we have the township of Nambucca, and this is called the Nambucca Shire. But what a view! Just spectacular. Such a beautiful beach, and look how that estuary and those waves just come into that estuary there. Just amazing. This has got to be one of the best views in Australia. The Nambucca Heads. If you're ever in the area, check it out. Just amazing.